Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to learn about variables. So in the previous lecture we studied how we can output the values on our CLI, right? Now in this video we'll be working upon variables that can be used for customization purpose. For example, if I want to change the content, okay, I have to go and change the source code, right? But in with variables, this repetitive actions won't be necessary because we'll be inputting the value through the CLI itself, so that we don't have to change this code again and again. Okay, so in this video we'll be changing the content or passing the content as a parameter with the help of variables. So let's begin. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll be creating a variable which is of name, I would say content. Okay, and or let's say custom content. Okay, so this is the name of my variable. Okay, and within the variable I will be defining the type as string. Okay, and we can also pass the default value. In case we don't pass anything, it will show me this particular content over here. So demo. Okay, so just save it, and then what we can do is, since we want to customize the content over here, right? So for that what we are going to do is we are going to pass this variable over here, that is var dot custom content. Okay, so I'll just save it. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just run this particular Terraform init, and it is done. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just validate it once with the help of Terraform validate command. This is valid. Okay, that's cool. Now what I'll do is I'll just run Terraform plan command over here, and now you can see that it has shown me the changes that must be replaced. Okay, so this is what it's showing me. Fine, now I'll try to do Terraform apply command. It will ask me to verify it once. I'll say yes, and done. And now you can see that it shows me this particular demo. In case I don't mention this default value, I'll just show you without using it. Okay, in case I haven't passed any default value, it will ask for the input. See, it has prompted over here that we need to enter the value for this particular custom content. So if I type demo lecture on variables, now you can see that previously my local file's value was demo because I had set the default value as demo, but after that when I removed it, it asked me for the prompt for entering the value of this particular variable. Then in that case I have mentioned this as demo lecture on variables. Okay, now once again I'll pass apply command. It's asking me again. Okay, no worries, this is how it works. Demo lecture on variables. Okay, and I just have to say yes to it. And now over here you can see that within the outputs we get this particular content, and if I go to demo.txt, you can see the content has been changed and it is customized. So with the help of variables we can customize our source code without actually editing it again and again, right? So this is something that is uh, possible with the help of variables. So we can also create a separate Terraform file for this particular variable. So how can we do that? I'll just go over here and create another, not in this. Okay, I can create another file named as variables.tf. Okay, and over here what I can do is I can just take the variables only. Why are we actually doing this? So that we can isolate these variables from the common code that we are using. Okay, so if I save this, I also would like to save here this again. Now what I'll do is I'll again use Terraform apply. Okay, and with this I'll be entering the value once again, that is demo lecture on Terraform variables, and I'll be entering the value as yes. And now you can see it is still behaving in the same manner. So this isolation of variables doesn't actually impact the output of our code, right? So with main.tf, in the main.tf, even though we hadn't used this particular variables over here, it's still giving me the same output. So in this way we can make use of variables and customize our source code without actually editing it. So hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you found the videos helpful. Also don't forget to press that bell icon for the latest updates. So thank you so much and have a nice day.